Good morning and welcome to GRPS Weather Forecast. Quezon City will experience generally warm weather this week with passing light rains or isolated shower took lately on Monday and Sunday. Due to the northeast monsoon, highs will range from 29 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius, with nights staying mild around 23 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Expectedly particle clouds, cloudy skies out through the week, with some brighter, mostly sunny spells by Tuesday. Here is the weekly forecast for Quezon City, February 15 to 31, 2026. Sunday, today. Light rain expected, maximum 29 degrees Celsius, low 24 degrees Celsius. Monday, partly cloudy, with light rain 31 degrees Celsius, low 24 degrees Celsius. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Maximum 30 degrees Celsius, low 24 degrees Celsius. Wednesday, partly sunny. Max 30 degrees, low 24 degrees. Thursday, partly sunny. Maximum 29 degrees Celsius. Low 23 degrees Celsius. Friday, partly sunny. Max 29 degrees Celsius. Low 23 degrees Celsius. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Max 30 degrees Celsius. Low 33 degrees Celsius. That's your updated forecast for the week. Make sure to stay warm and dry, everyone. I am Gavin J. El Carabnero. Thank you for watching.